having ideas how to post is always a good thing. You can write them down, put them on a computer screen, and just kind of get a routine every day. Do something that makes you feel good. Might be a post-it note, maybe those little 5 by 8 pads of paper. I've got them all over the place. Oh God, oh, here it is. This is what I mean. Like a honey-do list. Do you have a wife or a spouse that says, honey, do all these things while I sit and watch Netflix? In my case, I don't have a honey-do list. Look, there's nothing to do except post. Whenever I have free time, I love to just post about Save Club. I've made it kind of entertaining. So when people ask me, how are you able to post so many videos and content and email and help other people, I just think it's entertaining as hell, to be honest. I think it's fun to meet people all over the world on a weekly basis, by the way, for the last couple of years. But I actually have more friends now than it's just crazy. I don't know if I ever meet you guys, but if I do, thanks for writing me and just seeing what's up and tell me about your neck of the woods. I just live here in Utah, right below Mount Olympus. It's like basically Salt Lake City. And there's areas, I'm on the east side, high up on the mountain. Gorgeous, although it is hot outside. This will probably be my last video until later tonight, but yeah, it's like 90 degrees and it's going to be 94 tomorrow. So I'm already looking like barbecue sauce, man. Boy, I'm going to look like char-broiled, probably coal by tomorrow. But anyway, we'll see. But I love just promoting and creating content. I really don't even follow a lot of stats, and I know I should, but every day there's always someone going, okay, well, what's your best this? And how do you do that? And do you split test this? And how do you know to do that? And I go, by the time you guys are figuring stuff out, I'm already making 5 to 7 YouTube videos. And it could be about the color pink. It could be about how much is an affiliate membership. And it's $60 for the year. That's it. How much is a membership per month? Well, $19.97. Okay, well, what's the goal? To tell people, hey, try to save more than $20 a month, and you're probably going to be very loyal to the club membership side. I saved hundreds and hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of bucks my first 30 days. So the savings that I was able to enjoy the first 30 days have paid off the next 12 months of $20 bills. So I definitely like you to just look into the membership side. If you save more than $20 a month, then awesome. Mission accomplished, because I don't think you're going to get rid of something that saves you, let's say, $100, $200, maybe thousands for the year. Travel. I had a young lady ask me today, what's going on with this area and down below here, and what about over there? And we're talking about planet Earth. Well, we're not kicking this opportunity off for another 2 days, June 1st. Over the next 3, 6, 9 months, year, there's going to be thousands of opportunities put inside the membership of Save Club. So when you log in, put your username and password, just go to saveclub.com, log in, go to My Deals, and you can search all over the place. Search planet Earth everywhere. And if you think you're going to fly there or walk there or eat there, or you're going to buy a mattress, you're going to get tires for your car. Do you want Sirius XM? Or are you going to go to Walmart? Or are you going to go to Home Depot? And wherever you live, there's going to be billion-dollar companies. Here in America, when you say Walmart, everyone laughs because Walmart is so massive. They're just about everywhere. 7-Eleven, McDonald's, Burger King, all the fast food places are inside the Save Club membership. Not for health reasons, but if you need a couple Whoppers, if you need to save some money at Popeye's Chicken, my gosh, you want a Frosty at Wendy's? How about a Subway sandwich? You like pizza? Papa Murphy's and Papa John's both back there. And I'm sure every other pizza place will be too. I just haven't searched Domino's and some of the other, like Pizza Hut. Groupon. You heard of Groupon? If you live in America, it's a very successful company. Priceline, Orbitz. Okay. They're places where you can save money on things. The difference with this opportunity, it is all online. So anywhere on planet Earth can just log in and search. And then there's an opportunity where you can earn money. $60, and you can be paid like an influencer. Here in America, we all know the Kardashians or sports figures, maybe celebrities. There's a lot of spokesperson. I think William Shatner from Star Trek and T.J. Hooker, not to date myself, but I think wasn't he the spokesperson and had ownership in Priceline? There's certain people like Hertz Rent-A-Car, O.J. Simpson. That might not be the best example, but there's a lot of people that make good money, and now they're called influencers, where somehow they just have a following because they do wild videos, maybe makeup videos, or they're interesting. Could be an older person, a younger person, someone that just shows you life online, and they have a nice little tribe. They have a big following, could be millions. And look at the Kardashians. Oh my gosh, I think 2 of them are billionaires, and the other ones are millionaires, and none of us in America even know why. They're like a family, but why we keep watching them and listening to what they're endorsing blows my mind. And I've never even seen the Kardashian show. I just know who they are, but there's no doubt they are successful. But wouldn't it be nice that if you recommend Save Club, you can make some money too? Because I don't see Save Club giving millions of dollars to a sports figure, someone famous, celebrity, Kardashians, influencer. We are the influencers. I'm hoping that I can influence you to just click a couple links. And that's all you will do if you join. And if you need pictures, banners, you need little videos, we already have them for you. You don't have to make them right now. And over the next 3 months, 6 months, if you feel like you can do a webcam chit chat like I'm doing now, awesome. I think it's kind of fun after a while, except your webcam doesn't really talk back, which is kind of nice because when I talk to real people, it's like, I kind of like talking to my webcam. Have me a little drink with me, sit and just chat. I think I have orange juice right now. This tastes pretty darn good. I'm almost empty. You can see this big old cup. No wonder I go pee 15 times a day by producing videos. But you don't have to have a lot of experience. Just relax. If you have zero experience, I think it's almost an advantage because you don't have a lot of bad habits. Because if you're from the 70s, 80s, 90s, 2000s, everyone like, postcards, mailers, knocking on doors, visiting people. This is not traditional MLM where you got to buy overpriced products to have your own little tribe of people trying to share each other's money. And somebody always is just going to go, what a piece of crap scam. Is this legit? Blech. Well, with this company, you're not going to get that. And if people say that, they're jealous or they haven't really looked into what Save Club is. You pay $20 a month. You search all over planet Earth on things you're already buying. And if you save more than 20, great. If not, then goodbye. If Save Club is for you and you want to earn money, just get 3 $20 bills. I always have a couple here in front of me. You have $60. The next year, you're an affiliate. That's it. You don't have to buy a dang thing. You just got to do $19.97. So another 20 minus 3 pennies. So for $80, you can join right now. You're a member and an affiliate, and we can start earning money. And if you have an extra $25, I'd like to show you the funnel system. If you want some business cards, go to Vistaprint, $20. Get a custom domain name from GoDaddy. That's $12.17. I bought a whole bunch of them over the last month or two, so I have GoDaddy down to a science. And this is what I do, and I want you to copy if you're going to join. I want you to come up with your best domain name and forward it to links where people just watch videos. That's it. So I love saveclub.com, saveclubfunnels.com. And where are you going to post? All right, you out of ideas? Well, here's a nice list. One of our members came up with this, and I'll try to blow it up on my screen. But look, you can do little videos, Facebook Reels. Well, we already have the videos for you. You just got to put your link for people to join. Instagram Reels, same thing. YouTube Shorts. These are all tiny little videos that specialize like in 15 seconds. Same with Facebook, go live. If you don't mind doing what I'm doing, say, hey, I'm live on Facebook. I'm nervous. I don't know what I'm doing, but go to Save Club. And in my case, I love saveclub.com or saveclubfunnels.com. TikTok videos obviously just dominates. Man, billions of views. Comment on people. Go to mine if you want to practice. Go to any of my Facebook posts. Go ahead and just comment. But don't say, join me, join me, join me. If you comment on other people's posts, it helps them out and it wakes your algorithm up. But say, hey, nice post. Hey, nice to see you, Cory. How you doing? But don't be going, hey, do you want to earn some money and save money at the same time? That's just spammy and blech. No one's going to join you if you do that. LinkedIn, no one thinks of LinkedIn. Very legit, very business oriented. All right. WhatsApp is awesome. Be sure to download that because you can text or message people or call people worldwide for zero. I still can't believe WhatsApp. What a deal. Pinterest. No one thinks of Pinterest. They always think of Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. That's what I am. I always think of those top three. Pinterest is awesome. Email contacts. If you have people that you enjoy talking to, but if you're going to email just point blank and spam, it's not going to work, number one. And number two, it'll get you shut down probably with your email provider like Gmail. They don't like you to spam. But when people email me, I love it. And I'm real good at that. So if you join my group, I'm going to show you how I blast out over 100,000 emails every 24 hours automated. And the company pays me because I have so many leads. All right, what else do we got here? I guess local ads, like Craigslist, for example, even if there's little newspapers. All right, if it's $25 for an ad, give it a shot. So for example, I'd put saveclubfunnels.com or maybe I love saveclub.com and maybe a little thing that says, would you like to save money while earning money? Please click here. Thanks for your time. Keep it real short because when people click the video links, I want you to click both my links here in a sec. Watch the 6-minute video and the 20-minute video. You can see why Save Club Funnels has made me about $4 or $5 grand already just in the first 30 days, 34 days to be exact. But anyway, here's some ideas. And if you pause my video, write some of these down. I think you'll find one of them that you're comfortable with and then go to 2, go to 3. By far, my favorite thing is to do a YouTube video. And then I post a link on my Facebook page. And then I'll post just random stuff on TikTok and Instagram. And like I said, I'm really good at email. So that's my combo. That's my secret to my chicken noodle soup that tastes so darn good. And it seems to work. When I go to the leaderboard, let's see, where am I here? Let me click my link here. Oh, I think I'm number 7. Where am I at? Okay, there I am. Yep, I got 89 people already. I have no doubt I'm going to get another 100. So I should be in the top 4, top 3 here by next month. I just keep things fun. I want you to copy what I do. Please don't make this any more complicated than it needs to be. Because after you join, I'm going to send you a nice email. I want you to join our 2 private Facebook groups that just talk about Save Club. We share each other's stories, marketing ideas, content like pictures, videos. And if you need to know how to post on Instagram, go to YouTube and just type in, how do I post on TikTok? How do I make a YouTube video? How do I upload a video on Instagram? And we have a ton of content already made. You can sit and just post 10, 20 videos a day and then go do our banners and our pictures. Just get real good at saying, hey, do you want to save some money? You want to earn some money too? Click this link. Thanks for your time. I say that phrase 50,000 times. And I used to say I love Save Club, so I bought I Love Save Club. That was a no-brainer. But I also like Save Club Funnels. Look into both. Funnel system, $25. It's made me one hell of a chunk of money. I'm very proud of the funnel system. But I'm very proud of I Love Save Club too. Because when you go here, watch this little video. This is our founder. And then put your information in this box and hit the orange button. You're going to get an email from Save Club. Just go ahead and open it up. And let's rock. Let's get you joined, okay? All right, guys. That's it. I'm going to end my video right now. Thanks for the last 13, 14 minutes. If you're watching me live, have a good weekend. But my email address, Cory@CoryDraper.com. I mean it. Go ahead and email me anytime. I'll help you. Even if you're not in my group, don't worry about it. And if you want the funnel system, yes. If you've already joined Save Club in another group or another person, don't worry. The funnel system will work with anybody. It's just $25. And if it works, you're going to high-five me big time. It sure works for me. I think I've had 39 signups as of right now as I make this video, just in the last week or so. All right. Let's put another $800 cash just in my pocket, and it's recurring, meaning that if everyone loves the funnel next month, I got another $800 coming on and on to the break it on. And that's a whole other video, but I just want you to look at both those links, and they're right below this video as well. Just click them, sit back and watch, and let's get you in Save Club. All right, guys, 15 minutes is up in 10 seconds. You guys have a good weekend, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Take care, guys. See you later. Bye.